Alright guys, so this is what the interior of my Integra looks like. As you can see, the dashboard is out. I just got that white AC component back in, HVAC component. And the reason why I took out my entire dash is because I installed a rod wire engine tug harness. So I obviously had to have access to the firewall port behind all this. I had to take all that out, the dash out. I also pulled up the carpet and everything right here and my interior panels back here to remove the ABS unit module. So I have all these interior pieces back, but obviously I need to put my dashboard back. But in the process, let me show you what I got here. So here's my Integra dashboard. It has been sitting here for quite some time, but for weight reduction, I took out my speakers, both the front and the rear. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the factory unit right here. I'm not really into music, like that doesn't really interest me. And in this car, you know, VTEC is all you need, you know. There's my sound system right there. So I don't need this. Of course, I'm gonna save this with the car, but and I don't even use this tray. So I already undid the screws, so I'm gonna pull this out, but I wanna show you guys what I'm gonna replace it with. Here is the Honda OEM part number right there. Let me take this out. So I just got this in the mail. This is a Honda OEM part. So this is a block off plate. This is gonna go right there instead of having that radio there. I think that's gonna be a nice touch. So, and it's OEM, so that's super cool. So I already undid the two screws holding the radio in. I'm just gonna slide this out and looks like this just clips right in. Pretty cool stuff, and still keeping it OEM. All right, Acura and Ben is out of the car. There's my original 1991 Honda radio as well. So those are just sitting up there. Now we are left with this little block right there. Let's see if we can install this easy. Let's see. These two pins right here look like they go in there. Is that how that goes? Maybe not. Oh, I see. I see how this goes. There we go, everybody. A radio block-off plate. Now, just need to do the extremely easy task of putting this actually back in the car. Hey guys, today I am working on a little cosmetic restoration on my Integra. So you can see this weather stripping right here that goes against the windshield. I have removed that. Right here, there was a few clips that were right there, there, and there. And then obviously this piece of weather stripping. So I have the old piece right here. You can see that it's a little tore right there. And then as we go down, it's a little tore right here. And it wasn't factory fresh, if you know what I mean. So anyways, I got a brand new piece. There is the part number right there. This is for the driver's side. And this one is nice and clean and brand new. No rips in it, no tears. It's not coming apart like that. So just making my Integra factory fresh. Now, if this one was on the passenger side, I probably wouldn't have replaced it, but man, every single time I'm going in my Integra, you know, from the driver's side, I just saw it. It was really stripping up here. There was a piece just hanging there, and it was just annoying. I didn't like it because every time I got my Integra, it was there. So, you know, I had to buy a new OEM one. So whenever you take this piece off, you basically have to pull it off, and all these little clips basically get broken. There's 3 of this kind and 1 of this kind. Let me go ahead and take these out of the packages. Oh, and by the way, I flipped these over, and let me show you what these look like underneath. You see this one was missing this piece, so this one was also kind of elevated, and it didn't fit very well. And also these pieces were missing on, well, actually, I'm sorry, they're not missing, but they were broke. So this one just was not holding in well. So that's another reason why I wanted a new weather stripping piece. But anyways, here is one of the clips, one of 4, and there are 3 different kinds like this. And as you can see, there's just this little, almost like a nail head sticking out here. But what you do is underneath this clip, it just fits right in that circle right there. So basically, whenever this is on the car, this clip right here will be on the car. These slits right here go into these 2 areas of the clip. So that is how it all works. And then again, you know, that part right there connects to the body of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these clips on the car, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So there's one installed. Let me show you guys how this works. So I'm gonna put that end right there and that right there, and then slide it over this way. So here we go. And then slide it over. Yep, just like that. Now it's locked in there. These can kind of rotate like that. Let me put the other 2 clips in. All right, let's go over here and get our brand new weather stripping. Oh yeah, this is gonna look nice. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down so I can align this all together. And like I said, those little clips, those red clips ends right there, are just gonna slide right into these clips right there. All right, guys, factory fresh. Yes, sir. Looks good. It's not perfect, but looks so much better, and I'm happy with it. So yeah, nice little side project. Done and done. What do you guys think?